Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to Code Affairs. Today we are going to discuss about the spread operator in JavaScript. So basically, definition is that the spread operator is a syntax in JavaScript that allow an iterable like an array to be expanded into the individual element. Might be you are not get the good idea about that. So जनरली क्या होता है स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर जो भी आपका एरे होता है उसको एक इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट में तोड़ देता है. So start with some examples so that it would be very clear to you. We have taken two array. Okay. So what it actually does, suppose we wanted to create a new array. Okay, new array and new array. Okay, and we want that कि ये जो स्टार्टिंग के जो एलिमेंट है वो तो मेरे एरे में रहे और बाद बाकी का एलिमेंट मैं उसको खुद से ऐड करूँ. तो इस एरे को आप इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट में कैसे तोड़ोगे, उसके लिए क्या करना होता है, एक सिंपल सिंटेक्स होता है कि आपको स्टार्टिंग में 3 डॉट लगाना होता है एंड एरे 1. ओके, नाउ यू कैन ऐड एनीथिंग और you can also add the this element also. Okay, so you have to write 3 dot array 2. Now you can add anything at the end of the element like 100, 200 and 300. Okay, now print out that array. Okay, output. Okay, now we have to print out the new array. Let's see what we will get. Okay, so let's see the output, node and spread operator. Okay, now if you see the output that we are getting 1 2 3 3 4 5 and the element we added at the end. Okay, so basically what it will do, it will unpack the array element like this. Generally it will do like this, it will do the same. Okay, like this way it will unpack all the element in an array. So I hope you will get an idea about how spread operator is work. Thing you can do now, the same thing you can do with the object also. First we have to comment it out. Okay, now take an object. Okay, suppose this is my object 1 and we have to paste it here. Okay, this is our object 1. Okay, here if you see, अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास दो एलिमेंट है, नेम एंड आईडी. नाउ आप एक नए एलिमेंट, नए एरे नए ऑब्जेक्ट बना रहे हो. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट 3. Okay, now you have to add the initial two property like this. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, सिंपली इसमें ऐड करोगे इस ऑब्जेक्ट का एलिमेंट. ओके, नाउ इससे होगा क्या, ये जो दो प्रॉपर्टी है इसमें ऑलरेडी ऐड हो जाएगा. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू, you can add your own property like city. Okay, you have to mention Bangalore here. Okay, now you have to mention the mobile number. Okay, you can mention the mobile 2255669988. Okay, now let's see what we will get. Okay, now print out the object here. Okay, now print out the object 3 and we have to print out. Okay, okay, now print out the object, clear the screen and print out. Okay, now if you see that this element we use to get with the help of spread operator, and these are the property we added later. So I hope it would be clear to you how the spread operator is work. Okay, to perform the many tasks like you can do cloning. Okay, cloning. Okay, like cloning. Okay, so how can you do cloning? You just simply write an array. Okay, array 1. Okay, yep. Just we have to copy the whole array here. Okay, right on. Okay, ठीक है. Now you have to create another array. ठीक है, array clone. ठीक है. Now you have to do that. Just write array 1. Okay, now you have to print out the element log. Okay, clone. Okay, now we have to print the array. Clear the output. Let's see what we will get. Okay, see, it will clone all the element. Okay, now you can also do the compose. Okay, you can compose two element also, two array element in a single one. Okay, now what you can do, that array compose. Okay, now what you can do, that here we already mentioned the spread in array 1. Now we have to mention spread in array 2. Okay, now it will add all the elements from array 1 and array 2 into the array compose, and we have to write array compose here. Okay, compose. Okay, now okay, print out the element down the array. Okay, if you see that we compose both the element array 1 2 3, now 3 4 5. So I hope it would be clear to you how spread operator in JavaScript is work. So through which we can do lots of things. We can copy a array element, cloning a array element, compose a array element, and we can do the same thing with object also. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Bye, take care.